let's talk spot-free water. And if you're like me and you've had a great day on the water, you've come back, you've packed up your boat, you've either chamoised it, but now I wanted to introduce to you a new way to go about it, and that's using spot-free water, using RO or DI systems to give you that pure water to reduce water spots on the exterior of your boat. When you go through an auto car wash, they wash your car with a bit of soap, with recycled water. It's only that end final spot-free rinse that pulls all the impurities out of water to reduce those spots, those calcification marks on your vehicle, boat, that dry to leave those annoying marks that to me give me the absolute shits. So I wanted to discuss TDS levels, and these TDS levels will vary from where you are in different parts of Australia. So Perth being the worst, 300 to 500 parts per million TDS, followed by Adelaide and Brisbane that are on a par. We then jump to Sydney, then Melbourne, and the best water quality in Australia is Canberra. So those different locations and different impurity levels will result in different effects on your boat if you don't chamois your boat. But if you use spot-free water, 0 TDS, 0 ppm, we're going to get the ultimate finish on your pleasure craft. Saltastic, our new product for salt removal. And you're going to say, WTF, check out the pricing. 1 litre, 5 litre and 20 litre lots for the application of salt removal on your 4-wheel drive and your boat. So check out that on the links below. So TDS, parts per million, little meters like this, which you can buy from our website, will give you the electrical conductivity of the water. So taking a sample in the pot and the 2 probes, we measure the electrical resistance of the water. So the more crap in the water, the higher the number. And I said, worst case scenario, west coast of Perth, 700-800 ppm TDS level will result in your boat being absolutely bombarded with water spots when it dries if you don't chamois it. So you can test your water yourself, and you can test the water from your purification system to know where you're at. So after you've washed your boat with Saltastic, fantastic, I wanted to discuss which particular system with water purification might be right for you. Let's run you through step by step. So we'll start with DI Resin, a consumable product that will fill a vessel. It will remove all the contaminants from the water to give us that 0 ppm, 0 TDS. So if you wanted to conserve your resin and you have a rainwater tank, running the purest water through your DI resin will give you an amplitude of water to clean your boat, vehicle, truck and give you that spot-free surface. So this is our entry point in pure water production. So then we start talking about reverse osmosis, and it's not rocket science. It's made up of multiple filters to purify the water. An RO filter is like a toilet roll, severely tightly wrapped, and we're pushing water mechanically through pressure through an RO membrane. As water goes through, it gets purified. The water around the RO filter gets flushed and goes to waste. So any RO system will have reject water. That reject water carries away all the impurities and will have a higher TDS level, higher parts per million than the water coming in from the tap. So this Trion, or Trion depending on where you are in the world, is a 3-stage reverse osmosis system. We have a carbon, we have a reverse osmosis membrane, and we have a DI membrane. So this will give you an amplitude of water. We plug our water in, we'll get pure water out. We'll also get, as discussed, that reject water. This will have a very low running cost in compared to our DI resin. DI resin systems work by themselves really, really well, and depending on where you are, will go along fat, dumb and happy until they hit that saturation level, and the water will revert quickly to that tap water reading. So depending on where you are, if you're in Perth, Adelaide, Melbourne, not Melbourne, but those higher TDS levels, the resin will work really well, and then within 50 litres we could hit 0.001, 0.002 parts per million, and it'll just skyrocket back up to that tap water. So DI resin, if we track it, works well as an entry point. Reverse osmosis is a lot more stable. So that water quality, as in a purification level, will sit and plateau for many litres of operation. It'll then hit 0.001 on a DI resin cartridge, but because the RO membrane is doing 95 to 98% of the work, it's not going to skyrocket. Through maintenance, you'll test your system, and on systems like this, we have hour meters that we can then order a replacement cartridge. So now we've got mum and dad, the Quattro and the Mac RO. The Quattro system to date we place on boats, so large pleasure cruisers, 10 times bigger than this thing. We run the water through a high pressure RO membrane at 800 psi, and on those pleasure crafts scattered Western Australia, Gold Coast, Sydney, water coming out of that high pressure RO membrane, its primary purpose is to remove salt. After we pull that water through that high pressure RO membrane on a boat, we then push it through the Quattro system, which gives us pure water for cleaning. So those big pleasure crafts coming back in to dock, they then go through a pure water rinse where they've got crew on board to wash those boats. But the Quattro system and the Mac RO as a standalone on a dock, or if you're doing a final rinse on your boat, has a running cost, I'll go tongue in cheek, next to zero. The high pressure RO membranes in both these systems work super efficiently, and in most places around Australia, water coming out of those RO membranes will be nearly close to zero, final to that polishing of that DI resin cartridge. So the differences between these two: full stainless steel construction. This is a carbon sediment RO DI, where the Mac RO is a carbon double RO DI. This will produce 4.5 to 5 litres per minute, where the Mac RO will produce 10 litres per minute of pure water. So depending on our water production will depend on how we rinse the particular system. All these RO DI units you can run direct from a garden tap, but we can then hook up pressure cleaners, pressure washers. So if you're in a commercial wash facility and we have bus stations and bus washing going on using our RO systems around Australia that have been very successful over the last 8 years, we can mass produce water. And within the Ionic Systems range, there's even bigger systems like this that we can plant on docks or in marinas. So we can produce mass water, 5, 10, 20,000 litres of pure water, hook it up to reticulated pumps, hook it up to pressure cleaners, and then pressure wash using pure water and ultra pure water. So the RO system's hooked up. What we're going to do is remove all the contaminants from our salt removal process using our saltastic. Once we've pulled all the impurities from the water, the boat will dry spot free, and that's the way professional window cleaning work, where it's an agitation and a rinse with our pure water. Other names for pure water are DI water, RO water, and we can obtain pure water through distillation and steam. Getting all those contaminants out will allow everything to dry perfect. So like the professionals do in detailing and high-end restoration of classic cars, you can do the same with just obtaining and using pure water through an RO or DI system rinse. Absolutely awesome, guys. So depending on your system of choice, the Treon, Quattro, Mac RO or DI system, you can ask us for advice on how you want to rinse. Different machines will produce different water outputs to suit different applications. Now, what I wanted to also drop into the equation is pressure washing with pure water. So depending on the output of your RO system and the pressure cleaner will depend on initial setup. So the Mac RO produces an amplitude of water, and we're going to run this particular pressure cleaning system here, which has a similar output to what the Mac RO produces. So if we chose a smaller system, your pressure cleaner of choice will be smaller to match the water production of that unit. If you're running DI resin as a higher flow, but with a higher running cost, we can run a bigger pressure cleaner. If you're going to mass produce water and store it into a tank, and you have a boat washing or car detailing facility, well then choosing a pressure cleaner, and if you check out our website, the amplitude of pressure cleaners is absolutely endless, with a low pressure pump. So, or I'll repeat that, a low speed pump. So that low speed pump will be able to suck from a tank to supply a pressure cleaner. Or if you had a pressure cleaner with a high speed pump, well then having a pressure pump, simple like an Onga or a Davies, on that storage vessel in your facility will supply positive pressure to your pressure cleaner, like you are at home running a normal little household pressure cleaner, and then that will suffice to a high speed pressure cleaner pump operation. But this particular system, we're running a Comet K250, which is in the higher end of the detailing sector. This will also run a little 12-inch surface cleaner, and if we're running underbody flippers or rinse wash bars underneath your boat, this particular system will also suffice. So this is an auto cutoff and a great little unit, and I'll drop a link below on the K250 and the features and benefits that this particular system does operate. But we're going to show you how you can carry out a quick high-speed rinse using a pressure cleaner hooked up directly to an RO unit. So what a difference, directly driven from a pressure cleaning system. So this is pure water on max, on tap. As a final rinse, you cannot get better than this. This particular system's has some quite good features, and for nozzles, this is just a 15-degree nozzle, so we can go 25 and 45 degree, and the fittings that we do have are absolutely endless. So just to recap, DI resin, a higher running cost, and that will vary depending on your situation and location around Australia. Then flicking through the RO systems, which will have an initial higher buy price, but sometimes next to zero running costs. The Trion, the Quattro, and the Mac RO from Ionic Systems, powered by numerous pressure cleaning systems or even foamers that we can introduce with products when you use Saltastic to foam your boat and initially clean your boat of all that hopefully successful day on the water. Appreciate you guys watching. Lots more videos on YouTube under Blue Tongue Industries, and we'll catch you on the next video.